Sophia and
Jax, and today we're going to be making a really stretchy slime. So all you're going to need is glue, soap, some shaving cream, food dye, borax, and this lotion.
So let's get started.
So first you're going to be adding glue, bottles of glue. It doesn't really matter how much you have. It's really just for how big of slime you want. We're doing 3 bottles each because we want kind of big slime. It really takes a long time to do this.
How much do you have? Oh, this is my 3rd one.
So then what I'm going to say is kind of not going to make sense. You're going to need to stir the glue to kind of wake it up a bit. Or your slime won't work out. It's one of the important things for slime. Stir, stir, stir.
Yeah.
If you don't stir.
Now we're going to use...
So now you're going to add some, like about that much shaving cream's good. And you need to stir on until you can barely see it. So mine's kind of pinkish whitish. You don't want that color in. You kind of want it to be like as white as this bottle. And that does not count the sun. Of course, if you're shining it in the sun, it'll be white. If it's in the dark, it should still be white.
Okay,
not
now
that
we're going to be using one pump.
So, like, you should kind of see like a clear spot in there. Like, it doesn't look like you have slime in that one spot, but obviously you do.
Okay, now we're gonna be...
Now, it's optional, but you cannot add food dye. I don't want to add food dye to my slime.
What should I do?
Add food dye.
You think I should? Okay. I'm gonna do... Let's see what color that is. I like this baby blue color.
Now you need to stir super well, because if you add food dye, you kind of see a bit of the darkish blue and a bit of light blue. The light blue means it's perfectly stirred well.
Oh, look at that bubble. Mix it very good if you're adding food color. You don't want any white spots.
Like you can see a little drizzle of dark blue. You should only keep deep blue in there.
Okay.
Now we're just gonna add about 1 pump. You don't need to.
Why
I'll
don't I
just
make
turn it
these?
better.
Oh. Look at these spots of blue.
It's optional. You don't really
Look at this bubble.
like. You don't need to add cream. You can if you do. It'll make it stretchier.
Okay. I didn't.
And it doesn't really matter what cream you add. It can be any kind of cream.
Yeah, any kind of lotion or cream. So now we're going to be adding activate. So I'm just going about this much of borax and put it in the
You don't need to add
water.
borax. You could also add some contact lens solution and baking soda.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just adding it with
You make sure
because we don't have any contact lens.
Make sure you mix the water and the borax.
I think it turns out better if you use borax, but anything can.
Then once you add it in and it gets thicker, the borax in it gets thicker. And when it comes off the side, that means it's ready.
At first, the first time you mix it, it looks like you're adding some, but sometimes. So this is one of the important parts for mixing. When you add the activator to your slime.
Uh-oh.
So you can kind of see mine's coming off the sides a bit. That's good. That means it's not that stretchy, but like when you take it out, it always gets stretchy when you take it out and place it.
I stuck my hands in. I need more activator. Thanks, Mrs. Mallory. Jax, is your slime coming together?
So like you can kind of see it just ripped off the edge.
That's where I'm gonna put my hands.
My slime right now is really thick.
I feel like my slime's ready for me to kind of knead it a little bit, like knead it a little bit more. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
And remember, try this recipe out at home and remember to like and subscribe to this video. Bye.
Bye.